We were given a contract to do the post office in '97. We had 60 days to do it from time of initial programming to finished construction documents. So we did pretty quick. This was their first project where they were exploring concepts for green design, and this was at the time frame when the U.S. Green Building Council was being formed, and they were doing all of their initial guidelines. Some of the information used in the post office was used in those guidelines. At the time, it was not very common at the time. The materials were not available, but for them it made a lot of sense to do this because they were doing two post offices at the same time, one for the green aspects and one for the conventional construction, so they can do a comparison. They found at the end that they had a 10-year payoff for what they invested in the green building at 8th Avenue. And some of the materials they used there and concepts were these compressed straw panels. This was straw in compressed strath board, 8 by 20-foot panels, I believe, mounted on steel frame structure. On our landscape, we used the shading trellis on the west side, which helped out. They did the energy studies. We had the high efficiency rooftop units, which worked out great. Rain would fill that roof pretty quickly in a downpour, and it would fill two 12,000-gallon tanks that they used for their water harvesting system. So all of these were sensible things to do. Like I said, it just wasn't common to do that or find these materials, and I think it worked out really well for them.